Hey guys, this is Lemrex back again here with another video. This one is going to be a teardown for this particular NUC. I'll put the model somewhere here so you guys will be able to see which model I'm working with. But essentially, in case you ever have to tear it down and replace the thermal paste off of these, you can actually use this video to help you with that. Basically, what I do is I first start by removing the lid right here. I don't want it to get scratched up. Even though this particular one has a lot of scuffs on it already, it's just habit. So right back here, you have a couple of little notches. You basically just pull it back and it will release the lid. This is also how you get add-on lids or customize it. But that's essentially what it looks like without the lid. And now what we'll do is we'll just put it on its top and then we'll take it apart here. Alrighty, so it is held by 4 screws. So we'll just undo those real quick. I might also upgrade the memory on this unit as well, since it only shipped with 8 gigabytes. And I'm not too comfortable with it having that much, so we'll try to do 16, if not 32. This kit right here is a 32 gig kit from Viper. Alrighty, so here is the inside. So here's the 8 gigabyte kit. We'll just pop it out. And I think I might need a smaller screwdriver. I apologize for the background noise. So this is just a standard SSD. Alrighty, so it is held down by 2 screws. So I don't know if you can see them, but there's one right there. I'll try to zoom in with the camera. Right there, and then there's one right there. So everything else is good. And then let's double check and make sure there's nothing else. Nope. Okay. So what I usually do is I'll just grab it right here by the M.2 connector and just gently lift it up. And it should slide out, or lift up, should I say. All right, so let's just disconnect the antennas. Where is my little tool? Alrighty, so we're good with this, whatever that is. Okay, so we'll put this guy back. Now then, we'll flip it over. So, on and off switch. Alrighty, so first what we're gonna do is disconnect this fan. Go. Alright, so now you have 3 screws. There's one here, here, and here. So we'll undo this one, this one, and this one. And there you go. Thermal Repaste is bone dry. Alrighty, so let's clean it up. Okay. Now you can use rubbing alcohol. I usually prefer like the 99% alcohol because it's safe for electronics. But as long as you're careful, 70% or higher should be okay. Alrighty, so we got that. So now let's apply some thermal grizzly. Alright, and then now we just reverse the process. Okay. And quick inspection of the fan, it does have a lot of gunk. So let me clean it up real quick. Alrighty. And it's clean. Good. Now let's put it back in. So when you're putting it back into its case, make sure that you get the antennas out of the way. Alrighty, let's attach these antennas. Okay, let's add this guy back. Now this particular model does support SATA connection as well, but you need to get a different bottom piece for it because this one, it just physically doesn't have the room to fit it in. So it just needs a add-on. Okay, memory. Fine, and now let's see if this one fits as well. Looks like they do not physically fit. Yeah. The memory is very dense since it's 16 gig per channel. So I know the unit supports 32 gigs, it's just not this particular memory since I already tested it. So I'll put the 8 gigabyte back in here, so that'll give us a total of 24 gigabytes of memory. So other than that, there is that one, and then we'll just put the bottom back on. Alrighty, and last step. Angle it like that. There we go. She is good as new. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you liked it, just hit a like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys later. Peace.